Uh,
Oh, hi, Isaac.
Sounds like a day I've had. I'm just gonna go home and make myself some hot chocolate.
Oh, sounds great.
Yeah, I'm just like a big amateur with MasterChef Adam. Anyway, I'm just gonna make some hot chocolate.
Wait, what's that in your head?
Well, it was just a towel. Because this thing's all wet. Like, I put water in here before, but then I went outside again, and then I came back inside.
So then you wouldn't have to fill it up later. That's genius, Isaac.
The lid in this thing fell inside. Now I can't get it out. And I put it in my wet.
That's not good, Isaac.
Wait, but there's like a thing on the side here. Special close up.
Oh, what's going on? You can't really see inside very well, Isaac.
What? The cameraman's horrible. There's a thing on the side. You'll just have to take my word for it.
I do not see anything. There is not enough light. Okay. Oh, that's.
There.
What?
There. Look, there's a stub.
Okay, Isaac, just get the thing out and make hot chocolate already.
Okay.
Oh wow, that's great.
Now I have to figure out how to attach it. Maybe I should just not attach it.
I don't know what you're doing.
The cameraman is horrible.
I don't think you have anything either. Make hot chocolate.
Wait a minute. Look at this.
What is
There's a
it?
latch thing here.
Where?
There.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
It must attach somewhere in here. This must be how it opens and closes.
Wow, now you're like solving mysteries and making hot chocolate. Yeah.
How much do I get paid for this?
You don't. This is your idea.
What? Wow, okay.
If anyone should be paid, it's me. I'm the cameraman. So, I see you're going to make 2 portions of hot chocolate because there's 2 mugs there.
Yeah, there's like one for me and one for my special friend.
Oh, what's his name?
His? What do you mean?
Okay, well, what's her name?
What do you mean her?
Okay, what's this special person's name?
I don't know.
Oh, are you just gonna drink both? That's what it sounds like.
No, I think I'm related to them or something. I can't remember who it is. It's not something really important.
Oh, so you're gonna give it to your dad?
No, I think he's younger than that. My dad's a bit old.
Oh, you said he. It is a he.
Uh-huh. Now I'm talking.
I said he before, and you just, this is kind of going off track.
I can't put this in. That didn't work.
Well, I
Don't try this
guess.
at home, kids.
Yeah, don't try this at home. Don't do what Isaac's doing. That's just a bad idea.
Wait a minute. I just remembered why I was wearing this. Thanks for reminding me.
So you can.
Yeah, see, this is why I had it. This is why
Because
I
it was. What?
Yeah, see, well, no, it was soaking in here. I was trying to, like,
Here, let's
Get
just
all
get
the-
close
I
up.
was, yeah. Well, see, the thing is,
Oh, there's water in here,
Yeah.
but you can't get the lid back on.
yeah, and see, the lid was soaking in the juices of the water.
Oh,
Or the juices of the
the-
lid soaked into
the-
the water.
ew.
And now the hot chocolate's
think.
gonna taste all liddy.
I
It's
guess
a
it
word I
will.
coined.
Yeah,
Look for it in the dictionary next year.
next year. Yeah, okay.
And
No,
I'm making some pretty good progress considering all.
considering that you were completely incompetent in every single way.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Anyway. Oh, that was good. That was my phone. I turned this somewhere doing this. Whoever made this really didn't like consumers. It's not consumer friendly. Don't buy
Maybe you
it.
just broke it.
Yeah, probably I did.
That's
That's what I'm trying to think. I
that's
don't
not
know if
good.
it's safe to boil water with the lid on.
Maybe you should like twist it. No, you shouldn't. I don't think you should. I don't know, but I don't think you should.
It might go flying everywhere.
Yeah, I guess it might.
It might burn someone or something.
Why don't we just make this 2 parts, and once we get this fixed, you can make it again.
Wait, I think I got it.
You got it?
Oh my god.
Oh, it's a miracle! It's a Christmas miracle! Well,
Okay,
no,
everyone.
it's a January miracle.
Okay, everyone. Hot
So,
chocolate making with Isaac just got serious.
Yeah.
Now we're just gonna put this on here. And hey, wait, it's already plugged in. How do I start it then? Okay, everyone.
Tell us, Isaac, how do you turn one of these on or
Well,
something?
First of all, you put water inside.
Yep.
Then you close the lid.
Mm-hmm.
Then you put it on top of this.
On top of what?
See, there's like
Oh,
a fancy
okay.
gizmo under here.
Is that like warming up?
It doesn't feel very warm.
Hmm.
But then what you do is you plug it in.
I see.
And then after
Try
that,
unplugging it and plugging it back in. That could work. Oh! Oh wow! It's blue! That's amazing.
Yeah, now our one hot chocolate's gonna have blue chemicals in it.
You filled it with magic and chemicals, Isaac. That's great.
We'll see the after effects afterwards.
And now we wait.
I predicted that we'll have to pee a lot.
That's okay. Hey, is it making a noise?
Oh my word, it is.
Wow.
Oh, and also, to solve the mystery of before, the other person I'm making this for is my brother.
Oh, what a lucky guy.
Yeah. I just couldn't remember his name. I think his name's Adam or something.
Sounds like a pretty cool guy.
Ah, kind of. Or is it a demo, maybe? Is he Italian? No. Hold on, I'm getting ingredients out.
Oh, you're done? Okay, well,
YouTube audiences are so impatient these days. Especially cameramen.
you know, you're taking a long time. That's why.
Slow and steady wins the race. Yeah, so I've just got some cocoa here.
Premium.
Yeah, it's premium cocoa. It's for delicious baked goods and rich tasting beverages. See, it's multi-purpose. I am choosing the rich tasting beverages option. Because that way the beverage will
Let's
taste
just
rich.
zoom in here. Or not. Negatory, I'm zooming. Oh, okay. So these are the mugs we're using. Is there anything special about these mugs?
Well, for one thing, they're blue.
That's true.
Also, there's like a bump inside here or something.
Really? Where? Yeah.
It's really small.
Okay, well.
It's like there.
Yeah, Isaac, your hand's in the way. Oh, well,
Yeah.
I don't see anything, and this camera doesn't have very good quality, so
The cameraman's a fool.
we'll have to take your word for it.
Okay, so I think we clearly hear this thing's heating up. It's
Yeah,
turning
how do-
blue.
So, Hot Chocolate Master Isaac, how do we know when it's done?
I think steam's gonna start coming out.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
Yeah, I need a spoon.
You better get one.
Yeah, I probably should.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really making noise now. It must be doing something.
Yep. Just have to wait for the steam to come out.
Some sort of chemical reaction.
And also, it's known as combustion.
It's what?
Combustion.
So Isaac, what temperature does water boil at?
100 degrees Celsius.
And how about Fahrenheit?
212.
Wow, you're a smart individual there.
And it's 373 Kelvin.
Oh wow.
I don't know what it is in Rankine though.
Wow.
The Rankine system is close to the Fahrenheit system, except that 0 degrees Rankine is the same thing as 0 degrees Kelvin. It's absolute zero.
Oh. So,
And that's a science fact, kids.
well, we've learned our science fact for the day.
Yeah. So anyway, I'm just gonna put a spoon of cocoa in the here. Uh-oh. I spilled it a bit.
You what?
I spilled it a bit.
Oh no, well, don't do that at home.
Yeah, but luckily this tells multi-purpose. I can clean it up afterwards.
So, only one spoonful of cocoa or more than that?
Well, no, 2 spoons, one for each glass.
Oh, well, mug. Yeah, okay. And that's enough?
Yeah, probably.
Probably. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Seems legit.
Yeah. Okay, next we need some cream or something.
Some cream or something.
Yeah.
Maybe we have that. Ooh! Listen to that wonderful refrigerator noise.
Oh, yeah.
It's great.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
We need some crema coffee.
Oh.
It's a special burnt cream. It's made
Let
by
me
Scott's
see.
Burn.
Ah, you're moving it too much. No. Ooh.
Crema
Crema
coffee.
cafe. Well, that's
Whoa, the chemical reaction stopped. It's not blue anymore.
maybe that means it's done. Well, I guess we're gonna find out.
Find out. Ah, it burns.
Oh, well.
Just unplug it properly.
Okay, crema cafe.
Carefully measure it. That looks about right.
Very careful.
Carefully measure this one. It looks about right too.
Let's just see what it looks like.
Examine how it's kind of white and brownish.
Looks like
Looks
someone
like-
put cocoa and crema cafe inside.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. So now you stir it a lot.
If you got 2 spoons, you could do both at once.
No, I need 1 spoon for the sugar.
Ah, I see.
Oh, never mind. I came prepared. I already have a spoon in the sugar bowl.
Oh, there you go.
First, we need to taste test it to make sure it's not salt.
That. I hope you aren't gonna put that spoon back in there.
Well, I'm master coffee chocolate maker, hot chocolate maker.
I guess he knows what he's doing.
Whose title I'm very fluent with, and I have established that this is indeed sugar.
So
we put like a big bunch of sugar in here.
I see.
2 spoonfuls.
Oh wow! Wait, 1 for each, or
No.
whoa, 4 total, people. He's going heavy duty on the sugar.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna go have big sugar rushes after and go crazy and stuff.
Yay, insanity!
Yeah, so that's close enough. As you can clearly see, there's less sugar in here than there was before.
Well, we didn't see it before, but I guess.
Yeah, I kind of thought that, but whatever. You have to stick
You
with
know.
for it.
Gotta trust our hot chocolate master Isaac, or who can we trust?
Then you mix this.
Mix it.
Yeah, notice how the glass feels really cold.
Well, okay, we'll have to take your word for that too.
Yeah, anyway, see I'm mixing it?
Well, it's kind of dark in there, but, I mean, we can reasonably assume that it's being mixed.
Yeah, you can assume a lot of things.
That's what we're good at.
Reality
Assuming.
is highly subjective.
Yeah, like, yeah. What he said. That's deep.
Yeah, just... Okay, anyway, now we have to figure out how to open this. Luckily, this says open, so I think I assume when I press this it'll open. Whoa!
Whoa!
Ah, technology.
High-tech boiling.
Okay,
Oh,
yeah, so I kind of burned my face a bit.
yeah, be careful for the steam, kids.
It also smells kind of weird. I think that might be partly the lid, partly the blue stuff.
Yeah, those chemicals are...
Nasty.
But you still need them because they're blue.
Yeah, it looks cool.
If you're using blue mugs, you need blue chemicals. That's a fact.
Maybe when I pee afterwards it'll be blue.
Isaac, that's weird. You don't need to tell us about that.
Well, I don't know, I just said maybe. Why
Maybe.
not?
So that was the one you stirred. You can stir the other one now?
Yep. Yeah, see, I take my time.
That's good. That's a good thing.
This will keep you occupied for a while. Watch it, that is. Okay, anyway. Now we pour water in here.
How much? I guess all that's left.
A bunch. No, not all that's left, it will overflow.
So almost to the top.
Yeah, I made like a little too much water in the end.
Well, maybe you can use it for your
Next time.
experiments.
Yeah, just like when I pour in people's stuff.
That's weird.
If there were ants outside, I would, but you know, it's winter
You
time.
could like try melting snow with it. That'd be cool. Anyway, so
Hey, I could actually, that's true. Or maybe I could like unclog the toilet that I clogged after my little incident this morning.
what? I didn't hear about this.
Okay, yeah, what?
This is... You talk about this sort of thing too much. Well, anyway. So, are you gonna give it a taste?
Yeah, probably. I don't know.
Probably. You might want to do it soonish, I mean.
Yeah, I guess so, probably. Okay, whatever.
Give her a taste there, you.
My own risk.
Make sure the spoon doesn't fall out. That happened to me once.
It's really hot. Ah, my hand. Okay, whatever.
Well, just take a spoonful.
Okay, here we go. This is it.
No, I can't see. Wait.
Can't you
Okay.
see anything?
Oh, yeah, there's like brown stuff all over that spoon. Okay, well, give him a drink. Careful.
Mmm.
Is that good, Isaac?
It's the bee's knees.
The bee's knees. Well, stay tuned for next time if Isaac ever does this again, if he wants to.
Yeah. Bye.